This is going to be a video tutorial on how to blur or unblur not safe for work content on the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To blur or unblur not safe for work content on the Reddit app, you want to go into your device's settings. I'm going to tap on the settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says apps, and I'm going to tap on apps. Then I'm going to scroll down and look for Reddit. These are in alphabetical order, so I'm going to have to scroll down quite a ways. Right here is Reddit. I'm going to tap on Reddit. Then I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom, and right down here, Reddit settings. Show not safe for work content 18+. I have that toggled on. And down below that is the blur. I have the blur toggled off. To toggle on the blur, you would just toggle this on. To toggle it off, you would toggle this off. If you toggle off the top one there, show not safe for work content, if you toggle that off, it's not supposed to show it at all. But if you toggle that on, then down below there is your blur setting. Thanks for watching.